Hello, and welcome to Blackboard Tutorials for Ridgewood High School. Today we're going to look at how to create and grade an assignment on Blackboard. As always, start by going to your selected class. Once you're in your class page, next click Content. Content is an area where you can build content, create assignments. Content is basically anything that you may want your student to see, whether it's a simple file, an audio file, an image, a video. Again, it's very simple to upload. Just click File. You could browse right from your computer, browse from your class. It's like anything else. But today we're going to look at how to create an assignment. An assignment is different from content in the fact that it's interactive with the student. On Blackboard 9.1, there is no longer a Dropbox feature. Instead, the assignment itself acts like its own Dropbox. A student can upload his or her work directly to the assignment in response to that assignment. So there actually is no need for a Dropbox. To create an assignment, just go to Create Assignment. You could click what type of assignment you want: test, survey, assessment. We're just going to go with generic assignment right now. It's the easiest to use and the most self-explanatory. Name your essay as always. Name your assignment. Mine will be an essay. Write the instructions. Once you have your instructions written, as you can see, I talked about supplemental materials. You can attach them right to the essay, again, just by browsing your computer, selecting your assignment, and the students will be able to access it right when they bring up the assignment itself. If you are grading it on Blackboard, you want to say how many points are possible. I'm going to make this word 10 points. Number of attempts is important. If you want your student just have one attempt at the essay, in other words, they can only access it once, upload something once. You want to keep it at single attempt. If you have a essay or a homework assignment or something that you want them to keep trying, you can allow unlimited attempts, or you can specify the number that you want them to. You specify the number of times you want them to attempt it. As I said in the essay, the due date for this is due at the end of next week, so I'll make the submission date Friday. You can select a time if you want, it's not important. Also, to go with that, I'm only going to have the essay actually visible until that date. This lessens confusion so that students, they won't be able to see it past the given date. You can also have an assignment display after a certain time. Maybe you want to get ahead in your work and create essays in advance, but you don't want them to show up immediately. You can use this option to display it after a certain date. I want to go to all students individually. You can select it for groups of students. If maybe you have one group working on To Kill a Mockingbird, another group working on Huckleberry Finn, you can do it that way. For now, let's just do all students. When you're done, submit. As you can see, my essay showed up. Maybe I want at the top. Easy enough. I just grab it and move it up. Well, it was easy. There you go. And that's it. You wait the allotted time, allow students to respond, and then you can go in and see what they've done. To do that, just simply go to Grade Center, needs grading, and it will list the assignments that still need grading appear. It's very convenient in the fact that these are everything that needs your attention, things you haven't looked at yet. It will show you immediately in the order they came in. As you can see, there's 3 assignments here that need my attention that I haven't done anything with yet. 2 homework, 1 essay. So let's start with the first one. This may look a little confusing, but it's actually pretty simple. If you want to be reminded what the assignment information is, just hit that. It'll drop it down. What your instructions were. This is for the homework assignment. And then under submission, that will be your student's answer. You can then grade it, so it's out of 10 points. So I think this is a pretty good answer, so I'll give him 9 out of 10 points. And then you can write your user feedback. This is the feedback that only the student will see. Now, teacher's notes, you can write teacher's note. The student will not be able to see that. And then just hit save and next when you're done. It'll bring you to the next assignment that needs your attention. As you can see, this next one is an essay assignment. The essay assignment's going to be a little different in the fact that here the student has uploaded the actual essay. He writes attached is my Huck Finn essay. And attached files, you can click right on it. It'll bring the essay up. You can open it, and there it is. This is the essay your student submitted. From here, you can do everything you can with a normal physical assignment. You can read it over, look for corrections, make corrections, make track changes, maybe save it yourself. If you have comments and different corrections you want to do. Again, don't forget to grade it. I think it's pretty good. Leave your little feedback. And then maybe you want to give the file back with your corrections. You could just browse your computer. Here we go. Corrected. Upload it. This way your student will get that back. Make your teacher's note. And then save and next. So bring you up to your next assignment. This one again is homework assignment. Here's his answer. I think it's dead on, so I'll give him 10. Leave my little assignment, my little assessment. And then save and exit because it's the last one. And you'll see here that there's nothing that needs your attention anymore. There are no attempts that need grading. Maybe you want to look at what students are doing individually, how they're doing. You can go to Full Grade Center. From there, you can select a student, and you could actually just view his grade history. This will show you different assignments, what they got, the user notes you left, and it'll actually date it and keep it well organized for you. It's very convenient. Again, if you go back to Full Grade Center, you can see how they're doing. Nathaniel Howard here has a total of 36 points. Again, very good or very bad depending on how far into the year you are. So that's about it. That's the easiest way to do it. As always, if you have any questions, my door is always open. I'm Adam Brunner. Take care, and I'll see you next time.